arrives are necessary frizz and dull hair. सच बताओ तो I love everything about the rains. गर्मा गर्म समोसे, cutting chai, listening to romantic music and feeling like the main character. Pure vibes. But the only thing I don't like is frizziness. यार जितना भी स्टाइल करो, one moment it rains when I step out and it's all gone. But now that I'm part of the BB squad, मेरे पास थोड़े tried and tested नुस्खे हैं to keep my hair looking gorgeous and fresh. Today's video is about how to protect your hair this monsoon. वीडियो की शुरुआत करने से पहले subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. The first top-notch tip to keep your hair in tip-top shape during this rainy season is to indulge in the luxurious ritual of a hot oil massage. Monsoon में बढ़ती humidity can cause hair to absorb excess moisture, जिसकी वजह से बाल frizzy और limp हो जाते हैं. Applying oil to your hair creates a barrier that helps seal in moisture, preventing it from becoming overly dry or frizzy. So I like to give my hair an oil massage 30 minutes before washing it with the Indulekha Bringa oil. Just divide the hair into sections and place the comb of the bottle in such a way that it touches your scalp. Squeeze the bottle to get the oil out onto your scalp और फिर gently oil को massage करें through the hair. I like to use a scalp massager, which is basically a handheld brush with soft silicone or synthetic bristles that works to stimulate and exfoliate the scalp while increasing follicle circulation and blood circulation. This oil is no ordinary potion. It's a monsoon hair savior. Filled with incredible Ayurvedic properties of Bhringraj and Svetakutaja, it's like magic in a bottle that effectively relieves itchy scalp, which is a common issue during the monsoon, while also providing nourishment to the scalp. When those rain clouds pour down, they bring along a sneaky squad known as the Build-Up Brigade. These troublemakers, including bacteria, dust and dirt, hair follicles को clog करते हैं और scalp problems जैसे कि infections, dandruff and itchiness cause करते हैं. But fear not, for purifying shampoo and conditioner are here to help. Now let me introduce you to an incredible purifying shampoo and conditioner combo. The Love Beauty and Planet Tea Tree Peppermint and Vetiver Sulfate-Free Purifying Shampoo. This cleansing duo goes deep into your scalp, fighting off impurities, excess oil and even stubborn product buildup. It washes away all the gunk that dares to challenge your scalp's cleanliness. इसमें है टी ट्री ऑयल का पावरफुल ब्लेंड जो एंटी माइक्रोबियल और एंटी इन्फ्लेमेटरी प्रॉपर्टीज से भरा हुआ है. इसका मतलब है कि ये स्कैल्प को क्लीन रखेगा और सारे इम्प्योरिटीज को हटा देगा. इसमें पेपरमिंट और वेटेवर एसेंशियल ऑयल का भी ब्लेंड है जो एक सुपर रिफ्रेशिंग सेंट प्रोवाइड करता है. याद रखना, शैम्पू करने के बाद कंडीशनर ज़रूर लगाना चाहिए. क्लैरिफाइंग शैम्पू तो स्कैल्प को साफ करने में बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, but some of the cleansing agents can dry out the hair, which is why always follow up with a conditioner. तीसरा टिप है to use a hair serum. When the monsoon season rolls in, your hair decides to bust out some wild dance moves in every direction, giving you that frizzy hair. All thanks to the extra moisture in the air. So here's the deal with the serum. It's a magical shield जो बालों को एक protective layer में wrap करता है, locking in moisture and giving a big hydration boost to those dry locks. Speaking of which, this is a serum I rely on during the monsoon season. It's the Tresemme Gloss Ultimate Hair Serum. इस सीरम में है विटामिन ई और कुछ powerful blends of coconut, macadamia और sunflower oils. It's a nourishment powerhouse that works its magic by locking in moisture and giving your locks a luscious glossy shine. But wait, there's more. This serum isn't just about looking good. It's a multitasking genius. It acts as a shield against heat damage, protecting your hair up to a scorching 230 degrees Celsius. So whether you're rocking those hot styling tools or braving the humid monsoon weather, this serum has got your back. Protecting your hair in the monsoon is not just about shampoo, conditioner and hair serum, my friend. There's one another unsung hero that deserves the spotlight, the hair mask. When the humidity levels skyrocket and your hair decides to go all wild and frizzy, A hair mask steps into the rescue. It dives deep into your strands, moisturizing and hydrating them like nobody's business. I personally use this hair mask for my hair. The Dove Healthy Ritual for Strengthening Hair Mask. इसमें है oat milk जो बालों को moisturize करेगा without weighing down your hair strands. इसके nourishing properties frizz को कम करेंगे and will smoothen out split ends. It has honey which will help smooth the hair follicles, adding shine to dull hair. And lastly, when stepping outside, always tie your hair in a ponytail or a bun to protect it from getting drenched. This will also prevent frizz and rule out the additional hair and scalp problems like itching and bacterial accumulation on the scalp that may happen if rainwater keeps getting settled on your hair repeatedly. तो ये थे मेरे टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स टू प्रोटेक्ट योर हेयर दिस मॉनसून. बट रुको, आई नो इट्स स्ट्रेट आउट ऑफ अ बॉलीवुड लव सॉन्ग आउटसाइड, बट प्लीज़ जाने से पहले वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और हमारे बी ब्यूटीफुल चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड रिंग द बेल आइकॉन फॉर फर्दर नोटिफिकेशंस. बाय.